Hi everyone, welcome back. Learning basic reading Tibetan language, and so this video or this is we are starting the first stanza of 37 practice of Bodhisattva. This is the first stanza. So today we're going to start it. Starting. So there are like 37 stanza. So this one is the first one. And I want you all guys to remember the 10 suffix letter Jenjukju, 5 prefix letter Ngunjuknga, second suffix letter Yangjukni. So these are, I really want you to guys to focus, remember each time we are reading one by one. So at least we need to spend time 5 minutes a day. Will be great if you spend 5 minutes and read one by one in the morning, in the afternoon. That will be great. Spending a 10-minute a day will greatly help you to improve your skill, and it make you really good in solid foundations. This is how we learn. Spelling one by one is a little boring, but when you look at the result, will be awesome in the future. No matter even we just spend the 5 minutes is really help. So that's why is we really need to read one by one. I mean, is we need to spell by one. That's why we are really important for us to focus this old Jenjuk, Ngunjuk, Yangjuk. Okay, let's go. Focus reading. Da la dal, da la dal. Au 바에다 자나로 조라 졸. 아우 바에다 자나로 조라 졸. 달졸. 가라다 다 샵주 두. 가라다 다 샵주 두. 차 댕보 체나 첸. 차 댕보 체나 첸. 두 첸. 라 냐다 냐 댕보 녜다 녜. 라 냐다 냐 댕보 녜다 녜. 다오 까하 까. 다오 까하 까. 녜까 녜까. 타나루 토바 톱. 타나루 토바 톱. 다 샵주 두 사 두. 다 샵주 두 사 두. 톱 두. 아우 다 기구 디라 딜. 아우 다 기구 디라 딜. 달졸. 두 첸. 녜까. 톱 두 딜. 바오 다가 닭. 바오 다가 닭. 가오 샤나 셴. 가오 샤나 셴. 닭 셴. 아오 카나루 코라 콜. 아오 카나루 코라 콜. 와 아기우 이 왜. 와 아기우 이 왜. 콜왜. 마오 차나루 초. 마오 차 나루 초 라사레 라사레 초레 바오 사가다 가라다 달라달 바오 사가다 가라다 달라달 바야다 자 아기구이 제 바야다 자 아기구이 제. So this is you have to remember. You see this sound 바야다 자 아기구이 then sound become a j 달제 달제 파야다 차기구 치라 칠 파야다 차기구 치라 칠 닥신 콜웨 솔레 달제 칠 냐기구 니나닌 냐기구 니나닌 당아당 당아당 닌당 마오 차나첸 마오 차나첸 다샵유두 첸두 가오 야댕보 예라옐 가오 야댕보 예라옐 가오 야댕보 예라옐 와. So this one you have to pronounce wa, not the ba. Ka ta ba. When we read, usually when we read third consonant, this ba. But this one, yelwa. This is word. This is one word. So it's like a yelwa. And you can hear, when you hear the name of like a dawa. Dawa is a moon. So you don't call daba. It's wrong. It's called the dawa. Dawa. Also you can hear the person name dawa. Dawa. It should be like a wa. So that's why this one yelwa. So you might wonder why it's called wa instead of ba. I'm confused. You know, some my people wondering. So this is word. It's come together. Just like a moon, we call it dawa, moon. We don't call it daba. Just like that. Yelwa. Ma dengbo me ta met para par. Ma dengbo me ta met para par. Met par. Na kigu ni. Nindang cendu yelwa mepar ni. Nindang cendu yelwa mepar ni. Nyana nyen sa dengbo se ma sa sem sa dengbo se ma sa sem nyen sem pau sa gada ganaro go ma gom pau sa gada ganaro go ma gom pa gomba ra gada gaeda gyala gyal ra gada gaeda gyala gyal sarata sa se sarata sa se gyal se laka lak la dingbo le na len la dingbo le na len lag len ya kigu yi na yin ya kigu yi na yin nyen sem gom pa gyal se lag len yin tal jor tu 친, 녜가, 톱, 뒤, 딜, 닥신, 콜웨, 촐레, 달제, 칠, 닌당, 첸두, 옐와, 메발, 니, 녜셈, 곰바, 얄세, 락렌, yin, 다ljor, 두친, 녜가, 톱, 뒤, 딜, 닥신, 콜웨, 촐레, 달제, 칠, 닌당, 첸두, 옐와, 메빨, 니, 녜셈, 곰바, 얄세, 락렌, yin. Okay, so this is the stanza, and all the meaning of the word is just written here, so you can focus, so you can learn, just like the same as like previously I did. And so these are the same thing that I did earlier, and then I have a just here. So this is like a stanza is called as precious human body. It's talk about the precious human body. So here is the translations. The word, and I have here just only Tibetan. If someone want to, print in PDF file, so I have it. Okay, so this explanation will be in next video. It's just same like I did in the previous one, because I don't want to explain here because the video is become too long, and when that video is too long, people boring, everybody boring, so I don't want everybody to do boring, so I want to make separate video, and explanation will be next video. Okay, see you next video, and stay safe and stay safe. That's all. Thank you. Bye.